Yo guys, what's up? I know it's been quite a while since I've made a video. I think it's like 2 or 3 weeks now. I completely apologize. My fault. Just didn't make a priority, and I really should have. Because I like creating free content for you guys. Even though there is a lot on my YouTube, if like you go through, I feel like at this point I'm just like kind of re-going over things, but that's okay. For those new traders that are here with me, or new entrepreneurs, or whatever you're doing. Um, Usually I go over day trading, and because that's what I do mainly. Um, but the past few days, probably like the past week, I've been not only day trading, but I've been looking into more like my long-term investments and stuff like that. And I kind of put everything that I know about day trading into my long-term trading as well. So if you can learn how to day trade and pattern trade like I teach, and if you're my student, then you got all the material that you'll ever need. Then you're able to also carry that over into long-term trading. And I say that because we're gonna look at this chart first. This is SPY. Um, yeah, I know $291, and most of you guys are like, I can't afford that, but that's okay. I'm just talking about the basics of it. So I had a trend line here. You can see as it hit it multiple times, and this was the base that I chose, and I was pretty much right. Yes, it did fall below it a few days, and then it popped back up, but it also hit this trend line again, and it kept doing this pretty much, and I was right on target. And literally just watching it, being able to go over the day trading patterns. Oh, he told him I was busy doing a video. But watching it fall and being able to kind of just know it's coming. I know short-term trades are like what I'm good at. I hate emails, but they keep coming back. And long term, you have to be able to sit there and kind of not look at it for a while. So what I do is, if some of you are like me, is I don't look at it at all. What I do is I literally set a stop loss where I think that I just want to cut my losses. That's it. Never want to know about it, and then go from there. And then I also set alerts for if it goes so high that it'll ding me, it'll say what ticker and everything else on my phone, and I can kind of go in and look. So if I want to get out, I can get out, or if I want to move my stop loss up, I can move my stop loss up, and things like that. Just like with day trading, how you kind of go in, but it's a lot faster. You can move your stop losses so that you keep. So that if the stock does keep running up, you're not missing out on it. But when it finally pulls back, you're able to take your profits and run with it. So kind of the same purpose on this. You can see as it broke my trend line and it started going back up the other way. Now we're at 291. I mean, it's not like a huge high, but it's a pretty good size high. Let's see. I don't know if the things will still pop up on this one. Yeah, so you can see exactly what I did. I took the top one and it started trending downwards, and then as soon as I did, actually, yeah, 291 is the high in the past year. So I ended up buying it in here on these dips. This is actually a long-term trade I've been holding for a really long time, as you can see, since June pretty much. I don't really track like all of my long-term trades. They're just in the back of my head, things like that. But guys, so right now I believe I moved my stop loss. I want to say to like right in here, this past high, and now we're up. I'm sure in the next few days or weeks or something, it'll pop back down and I'll be stopped out. But then again, I made that much profit. This was just one of those long-term trades that I finally looked at over a while, and I realized it still has not stopped out, and that's kind of where I've been. I'm gonna save the rest. I just really wanted to go over stop losses on how you can potentially go for more than what you think you can make. Being in the market is a very important thing, especially when it comes down to making money. Tony Robbins said it best. I've been listening to Gary Vee all morning. Just kind of like my thing that I do. I always love learning. So should you. I'm a better listener than I am reading. So that's what I do. I listen to them, and then but they also always say being in the market is the best thing because yes, it does have a correction. The market has a correction every year it seems like, but it also recovers. So your job is to basically buy it when it falls, catch the dip buy, and ride the recovery. So that's just basically a long-term chart that I wanted to go over. Thank you guys for watching. I'm definitely going to be putting out more content in the next following few weeks. Hopefully 2 to 3 videos a week because I've been slacking so bad. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.